Hi everyone, happy Saturday. I am coming here today to unbox my brand spanking new 100-year celebration Disney warmer. And I have not even opened this box yet. I'm super excited. I intend to display it with this Waltz 100th snow globe that my good friend Carlene gave me a number of years ago. So cute, but this is going to be like the perfect thing to go with this warmer. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Look how adorable is that? Mickey Mouse, of course. Here comes the dish. Oh. It's Mickey Mouse again with his little camera. I'm so excited. I mean, I think this is like quintessential Disney film fan warmer. As you can see, the film strips right there. This is a 2-piece warmer. Well, 3-piece if you count the lid. But it's got a base, and we're going to have to open this puppy up because I have to light it up for you. Don't worry, it's going on my shelf anyway. So you've got the bottom base here. And then we've got a little light bulb in here. And did you know Scentsy makes different color light bulbs? I don't know that that'd be good for this one since you really want to show off the film strips. But if you wanted all of your film strips to be in purple or blue, you could do something like that. I'm going to untie the cord because I'm going to have to reach back behind my desk to turn it on here. I am so excited about this. As you probably know about me, I'm a huge Disney fan. And so what could be better than this? So this is the little piece that's going to set on the outside here. I like that. How I can just spin it around. All your classic Disney characters. There's Minnie, there's Olaf, Buzz, Peter Pan, Winnie the Pooh, of course, the genie from Aladdin, oh, the Cheshire Cat and Bambi, Stitch, Cinderella, of course, which has to go in the front. There's a little notch here that will keep your cord down. And then the most exciting part. You guys, this is unbelievable. It's better than I thought. I mean, I know I'm crazy about Scentsy, of course, and everything that they make, but can you believe this detail? I love it. It's got this iridescent, I think this is the 100th, of course, celebration that sets inside that just makes this film strip pop. Lady and the Tramp and Dumbo and Winnie the Pooh. It's making me nostalgic because these are all the movies I grew up with. So then you set that down on your warmer. So it looks like so. And you could set it whichever way you want. It just turns, so there's no notch or anything that you have to set one particular way, but if Little Mermaid is your favorite right there and you want to show her off, she is one of my favorites for sure, then you could put that to the front. The dish, again, just to go there. Excuse me while I run around really quick and plug this in. I can't wait. I have not seen it lit up yet. Pretty dang excited. Drum roll, here we go. Pull it up. Try not to drop anything. Oh my gosh. Look at that. My dish is coming. You guys, can you see? Oh, now this does have to be a certain way. I did not know that. Okay, now I have it right. You can't see, but it is iridescent. It's sparkling up in the top there. Incredible. I'm speechless. Scentsy has outdone themselves with this one for sure. Let's see if I can get it back a little bit. It is worth every penny. And can you believe they're still available? I can't. You guys, I mean, if you're a Disney fan, you should see the way this lights up. If you're a Disney fan, I feel like you have to have this one, if no other Disney Scentsy warmer. This is the one to get. It is mind-blowing. It's incredible, truly. I know I'm always like that about Disney and Scentsy, but this one has blown my freaking mind. So, it is still available. If you'd like one, let me know.